Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make an Arduino motor circuit using a L298N motor driver. So let's get going. These are the things we need: an Arduino Uno, L298N motor driver, some motors, jumper wires and a power pack, which you will need if you are going to use gear motors. You will need an external power supply if you are using gear motors because they require more power than other motors. If you use gear motors, be sure to give an external power supply of 12 volts or more to the Arduino board. Step 1. Assemble the circuit. This is the way that I have wired my L298N motor driver. The two terminals in both sides of the motor driver are the terminals which we should connect the motors to. Then you can see that I have two wires connected to another terminal. These wires give the motor driver power. In my case, I have given 12 volts so that I can power both motors. Then you can see four wires. These wires are the wires which take the commands we give to the Arduino board and bring it back to the motor driver, which makes the motors move. Here you can see the four signal wires that I mentioned before. They are connected to pin 4, 5, 6 and 7 respectively. Then you can see another two wires. These are the wires which give power to the motor shield. So this white wire is connected to one of the ground ports in our Arduino board. Then this orange wire is connected to the V-in port of the Arduino board. So basically the V-in port gives out the voltage which is supplied to the Arduino board's power port. In my case I have given 12 volts instead of 5 because it won't make my motors move. So that's it for the circuitry. Step 2. Coding. So like in the first tutorial, you can type in pin mode. Then open a bracket, then type in 4 instead of LED built in. Then type in output in capital letters. Then close the bracket and put a semicolon. Then type in the same thing again for 3 times. I'll just copy and paste it 3 times. So now we can change the values. For example, we can change the second one to 5, third one to 6, fourth one to 7. Then we can go to the void loop. Then I will type in digital right. Then open the bracket, then type in 4 high. Close the bracket and put a semicolon. Then I will type in delay 2000, which is equal to 2 seconds. Then I will type in digital right 4 low. So up to here, what the code does is turn the motor on and keep it on for 2 seconds, then turn it off. Now we will do the same to the other motor. We type digital right 6 high. Close the bracket and put the semicolon. Then we can type in delay 2000. Close the bracket, put the semicolon. Then we can type in digital right 6 low. Close the bracket, then put the semicolon. So that's it for the coding. You can upload this to the board and see what happens. So that's it for this video.